Hi, I'm Dattatreya Sakore. When we actually thought of designing our home with interiors, we came across multiple interior designers in Pune, and then we came across Xclusive, where we actually like their designs, their color patterns, their latest trends about the interior. So then they actually call into their office. We have like one-on-one discussions, and they ask us our interest, our ideas, and that all. Based on that, they came up with their three designs, which somehow actually matched to our expectations. And then ultimately, we thought of okay, yeah, they are the one that we want to go with, and then that's how our engagement actually got started. In the later period, yeah, we had a couple of rounds of meetings where they kind of show us our final design. When our project actually got completed, it turned out to be kind of same as to be in the 3D one. So we really liked about their ideas. We really liked about their designs, their color combinations, and everything. So Xclusive team, whenever we interacted with them, yeah, we actually had a good experience with the team. we would like to recommend the Xclusive to others as well. It was actually a very nice experience working like with Nidhi ma'am, the entire Xclusive team. So we are pretty much happy about like their execution. So yeah, best luck to the Xclusive team, and best luck to the Nidhi ma'am. Thank you.